Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
North American perennial having a slender bulb and whitish flowers. Allium tricoccum, wild leek. An inclined surface connecting two levels. Incline. A movable staircase that passengers use to board or leave an aircraft. Behave violently, as if in state of a great anger. Rage, storm. Be rampant. The lion is rampant in this heraldic depiction. Creep up, used especially of plants. The rose is ramped over the wall. Furnish with a ramp. The ramped auditorium. Stand with arms or forelegs raised, as if menacing.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.